Have you ever wondered why the universe is filled with Earth-like planets, water, and endless space, but we never see giant fire planets or air planets floating around? Why does nature show only three elements so clearly, Earth, water, and space, while fire and air seem invisible? Though the five-element model, according to ancient wisdom, everything is made of earth, water, fire, air, and space. But in physics and astronomy, only three of them appear as stable and visible forms in the universe. Teen. Why fire doesn't exist as a planet? Fire cannot become a planet because fire is not a substance. It is a reaction, a transformation of matter. Fire happens only when fuel, oxygen, heat come together. A planet cannot be made only of reaction. That is why fire exists only as energy, not as an object. Char. Why air doesn't form planets? Visual, Earth's atmosphere layers, gas clouds. Voiceover, air is also not solid. Air needs gravity to stay in place. Without gravity, air does not gather into a stable ball like a planet. This is why air planets do not exist. But planets with atmospheres exist, like Earth, Jupiter, Saturn. So air is real, but it cannot form a planet by itself. On-screen text, air needs gravity, cannot become a planet. 5. Why EARTHLIKE planets exist? Visual, rocky planets. Voiceover, Earth element means solid matter. This is the easiest form for the universe to create. Planets, moons, asteroids. All are made of solidified matter. This is why Earth-type elements dominate the cosmos. Che. Why water exists everywhere? Visual, water on Earth, comets, icy moons. Voiceover, water forms automatically when hydrogen and oxygen combine. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. So water is naturally found on planets, moons, comets, and even in interstellar clouds. Sat. Why space is infinite? Visual, deep cosmic visuals. Voiceover, space is the container of everything. It is the first element. It holds all planets, galaxies, stars. But space itself is not a planet, it's the canvas on which creation is drawn. Art. Fire or air are subtle elements. Visual, energy waves, glowing light. Voiceover, in Vedic science, fire and air are subtle elements. Fire equals transformation. Air equals movement. They exist everywhere but cannot form fixed objects. They are the energies that animate earth and water inside space. No. The final explanation. Visual, five elements merging into one human outline. Voiceover, so why do we see only earth, water, and space? Because these are stable forms. Fire and air are dynamic forces, not stable structures. They move, they transform, they flow, they cannot become a planet. Text, earth stable, water stable, space infinite, fire energy, air movement. 10. Spiritual secret. Visual, meditating silhouette in space. Voiceover, earth gives structure. Water gives emotion. Air gives breath. Fire gives intelligence. Space gives consciousness. All five live inside the human body. The universe outside is the universe inside. If you want more videos connecting science, spirituality, hydrogen, consciousness, remember to subscribe to Hydrogen Awakening. Your journey begins now.